How to start investing in index funds in 2025. Imagine this. It's 2035 and you're sipping your morning coffee, looking at the portfolio that's growing at an incredible rate. You didn't get here overnight. It started with one decision, one simple choice to invest in the right way, in index funds. Are you tired of hearing about getting rich quick schemes, only to watch others quietly build real wealth? It's time to stop gambling with your future and start investing wisely. If you're between 18 and 30 and want to set yourself up for financial freedom, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're going to break down the secrets of index fund investing, the simplest, most reliable path to wealth in 2025. Don't worry, we won't be talking about cryptocurrency to the moon or penny stocks. We're here to talk about something far more powerful and, dare I say, a bit boring. So why should you care about index funds? Well, picture this. Every day, hundreds of new opportunities are emerging on the stock market. But most of us don't have the time or expertise to pick the next Amazon or Tesla. Enter index funds. These funds track entire markets or sectors, giving you ownership in thousands of companies with just one investment. It's like owning a piece of the entire economy. It's the simplest, most effective way to invest in the market as a whole. No expert knowledge needed. Step 1. Choose the right index fund. The first step is picking the right index fund. You want to look at funds that track broad indices like the S&P 500 or Total Stock Market Index. Why? Because they spread your investment across hundreds, even thousands of companies, which reduces your risk. Here's the kicker. These funds have outperformed most active managers, and they do it with lower fees. Lower fees equals more of your money working for you. Plus, you don't need a financial advisor to pick a winner. Step 2. Open an investment account. Next, it's time to open an investment account. If you don't already have one, you can open an account with platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Trust me, they make it easy. A Roth IRA or a standard brokerage account are great options depending on your tax goals. Pro tip: a Roth IRA is an amazing tool if you want tax-free growth, but it has a contribution limit. A regular brokerage account is more flexible but lacks those tax perks. Choose wisely. Step 3. Dollar cost averaging, consistent investing. Now here's the magic. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, you invest a fixed amount regularly, say $100, $200 or more into your index fund every month. Doing this helps smooth out market fluctuations. When prices are low, you buy more shares, and when they're high, you buy fewer. Over time, you'll pay an average price. No more stress about timing the market. But what if you're scared of the market crashing? What if you're afraid of losing everything? Hold on, we're about to talk about that next. Step 4. Start now, don't wait. Here's where it gets real. The best time to start investing is now. The market will never be perfect. If you wait for the right time, you'll keep waiting forever. 2025 is a pivotal year. Interest rates are rising, inflation is high, and markets are in constant flux. But that's exactly why you need to act now. The longer you wait, the more you lose to inflation. And trust me, you don't want to wake up at 40 wishing you'd started investing earlier. Imagine telling your future self that you waited because you thought the stock market was too risky. Come on, we both know you're smarter than that. Step 5. Be patient, let time grow your wealth. Finally, remember, investing in index funds is about patience. Time is your greatest ally. The more you invest, the more your money will grow. The stock market rewards those who stay the course. You're not in this for the next month or year. You're in it for the next decade and beyond. And when you look back, you'll be proud of the decisions you made today. So, are you ready to start building your wealth? The future is waiting for you, but the time to act is now. Don't let fear hold you back. The decisions you make today will shape the life you live tomorrow,